Hola amigos, welcome back to a new class of Learn Easy Spanish. This is your Spanish maestro, Sir Ahmad Raza. Today we are going to continue with the sounds of the Spanish alphabets and pronouncing Spanish words correctly. We are going to do part 3 of the series of 4 that I told you we will do on learning the proper pronunciation of Spanish words and how to speak Spanish correctly and pronounce Spanish words correctly. Okay, so let's continue with this lesson. We'll start from N today. Okay, N has the same pronunciation as the English N basically. Okay, so N, nada. Nada means nothing. Nada. Nevar. Nevar. Nevar means to snow. Nido. Nido means a nest, a bird's nest. Nada, nevar, nido, nota. Nota is a note. And nunca. Okay, so basically the N has the same sound as the English N. Okay, let's go through it once again. Nada, nevar, nido, nota, and nunca. Okay, now we have the Ñ. Ñ is an alphabet of the Spanish language which doesn't exist in the English language. It has a ni sound. Okay, the Ñ, as in ni, nio. Okay, ni. It has a ni sound. So ni, nio. Niño, mañana, mañana, tamaño, tamaño, piña, and caño. Okay, niño means a child. Mañana means tomorrow. Mañana also has another meaning. Mañana can mean morning if we use en la mañana or por la mañana. Tamaño, tamaño means size. Piña, piña is a pineapple. And caño, caño is a pipe. Okay, so the Ñ. Then we have the O. O also basically has the same sound as the English O, as in hola. Hola is a wave. Okay, don't confuse it with H-O-L-A, hola, which is hello. Okay, so hola. Hola is a wave. Ojo. Ojo is an eye. Oveja. Oveja is sheep. Otoño. Otoño, now we have the Ñ here again. So it's otoño. Otoño. Otoño is the season, autumn. And organo. Organo is an organ. Okay, so hola, ojo, oveja, otoño, and organo. Let's proceed with P. Okay, the Spanish P has again basically the same sound as the English P. Okay, so we have pan. Pan is bread. Poco. Poco is little. Puro. Puro is pure. Pelado. Pelado is peeled, or in some countries pelado means bald also. Okay, in some countries. So pelado. And pico. Pico can mean the peak of a mountain, and pico can mean the beak of a bird. Okay, so once again, pan, poco, puro, pelado, and pico. Now we have the Q. Again, the Q is basically depending upon the alphabets that follow it. Okay, so pay attention to this carefully. QUE has a K sound. Okay, and QUI has a key sound. Now please note here there's an exception to the rule of pronouncing each alphabet in the Spanish word. Okay, so QUE will not be pronounced que. Okay, and QUI will not be pronounced qui. Okay, this is an exception to the rule. So it's K and ki. As in queso. Queso is cheese. Quemado. Quemado is burnt. K is a question about what. Okay, now the QUIs. Quiero. Quiero means I want. It comes from the verb querer. Quiero. Quitar. Quitar is to remove. it's another verb again. Okay, then we have quién. Quién is again a question word. Quién is who. Quieto. Quieto is quiet. Okay, quieto. Quizás. Quizás means maybe or perhaps. And química. Química means chemistry. Okay, so once again, quiero, quitar, quién, quieto, quizás, and química. Okay, now let's go to the R. Spanish R's are slightly stronger than the English R's. Okay, we pronounce them, especially in Central American countries. You'll note that people pronounce the R's really rolling the tongue. Okay, and then there's a difference between the R and the double R. In Spanish, the double R is also an alphabet. Okay, so let's start with the single R. Ropa. Now look, I'm rolling the tongue a little bit. Ropa. Okay, ropa, Roma, Rana, and Rio. Okay, ropa means clothes. Roma is Rome, the capital of Italy. Rana is a frog in Spanish. And Rio is a river. Okay, once again, ropa, Roma, Rana, and Rio. Now the double R's in Spanish. Double R's are an alphabet in the Spanish language. Okay, to pronounce a double R, you really have to roll your tongue. Okay, so like r, carro, perro, cerro, zorro, and tarro. Okay, carro means a car, perro is a dog, cerro is a hill, zorro is a fox, and tarro is a jar or a container. Okay, now note the difference. You must pronounce these properly. For example, in the case of C-A-R-O and C-A-R-R-O, they are so similar, but they have different meanings. So if you don't pronounce them properly, you'll be changing the meaning of the word completely. Okay, so caro means expensive, and carro means car. Okay, so you must pronounce them properly, otherwise people will be confused with what you are saying. Caro, expensive, carro, car. And then we have the same with pero and perro. Okay, these two words must be pronounced properly. Okay, many students pronounce pero as perro. Okay, so then it becomes dog instead of butt. Pero means butt and perro means dog. And many people pronounce the perro when they want to say a dog, they pronounce it pero. Okay, pero means butt, so it completely changed the meaning. Be very careful in pronouncing these. Okay, caro, carro, pero, and perro. Okay, my friends, so this was our class of today. Again, sounds of the Spanish alphabets and pronouncing Spanish words correctly. Once again, I repeat, pronouncing Spanish is really easy. Each alphabet has a specific sound which never changes in any word. So once you master the sounds of the Spanish alphabets, you will never make a mistake pronouncing Spanish words. Okay, and another rule of pronouncing Spanish words properly, almost always each alphabet is pronounced in the Spanish word. So it's really easy to pronounce Spanish, read Spanish, and speak Spanish. Okay, my friends, I hope you enjoyed this class. Please leave your comments and questions in the comment section. If you have any questions, I'll answer them for you. And I look forward to seeing you in another class very, very soon. Okay, my friends, hasta luego. Muchas gracias.